The stock market is a fascinating and dynamic system that fuels the global economy. At its core, it's a marketplace where buyers and sellers come together to trade shares of publicly listed companies. These shares represent ownership in a company, and when you buy a share, you become a part owner of that business. The stock market exists to provide companies with a way to raise capital for growth and innovation, while giving investors the opportunity to grow their wealth by participating in the success of these companies. It's a win-win ecosystem that drives progress and prosperity. The process begins when a company decides to go public through an initial public offering, or IPO. This is when the company sells shares to the public for the first time, allowing anyone to invest in its future. Once the shares are listed on a stock exchange, like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, they can be bought and sold by investors. The price of these shares fluctuates based on supply and demand, influenced by factors like company performance, economic conditions, and investor sentiment. This constant movement creates opportunities for investors to buy low and sell high, or to hold onto shares for long-term growth. Investing in the stock market isn't just about buying and selling shares. It's about understanding the bigger picture. Companies use the capital raised from stock sales to fund research, expand operations, and create new products or services. This, in turn, drives innovation, creates jobs, and contributes to economic growth. As an investor, you're not just growing your own wealth, you're supporting businesses that shape the world we live in. It's a powerful way to make an impact while building your financial future. While the stock market can seem complex, it's built on principles of transparency and fairness. Stock exchanges operate under strict regulations to ensure that trading is conducted ethically and that all investors have access to the same information. Tools like financial news, company reports, and market analysis help investors make informed decisions. Remember, every great investor started as a beginner. With patience, education, and a long-term perspective, anyone can learn to navigate the stock market and unlock its potential. The stock market is more than just numbers on a screen. It's a reflection of human ambition, innovation, and collaboration. It's a place where dreams are funded, ideas are brought to life, and fortunes are built. Whether you're investing for retirement, saving for a big goal, or simply curious about how it all works, the stock market offers endless possibilities. So take that first step. Embrace the journey and remember, the future belongs to those who dare to invest in it. Let's make your financial dreams a reality, one share at a time.